Hello everyone, this is Nurul Amin from 206 Witten Road, Sky Blue Connections in Aston. Today's video is all about Apple Face ID. So basically in your phone you have a sensor right at the top of your phone, and the camera is part of a Face ID sensor. Now if you ever change that part with the Face ID on that proximity sensor on your iPhone, your Face ID will never ever work ever again. So we have a lot of customers who drop their phones on the top part, and basically glass shards enter that particular part, and sometimes water could go in there and damage the part. Remember, once that part is changed or it's got damaged, whatever, your Face ID, 99.9% of shops cannot repair that phone. What you have to do is take